Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy chicken spring rolls. They're quick, they're fast, they're tasty, they're delicious. We'll just get on with it. Alright, here I've got a little wok. I'm going to add in a little bit of oil into that. I've just had a bit of water in there just to get my temperature right. When those little bubbles start dancing around, we know we've got a good temperature for our wok. 500 grams, or sorry, 250 grams worth of chicken mince. That can go straight in just like that. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of soy, a little bit of mountain seasoning, and a little bit of garlic and ginger. Just a little bit. We only need sort of 1/4 teaspoon of all of those. A little bit goes a long way for this particular recipe. A little bit of white pepper, pre-ground of course. That can go straight in, and all we have to simply do is start cooking that mince off. Just get everything broken up, get a little bit of brownage happening here and there. And these stainless steel woks, I really hate using them because they do tend to stick things, but look, I persevere. I'm going to add in a big handful of bean sprouts and 1 grated carrot. I've done a rough grate on that, so we've got a little bit of texture, and it's also going to add in a nice bit of freshness to our little spring rolls. So all we have to do now, finish cooking that chicken off. It's only going to take around about 5 or 6 minutes or so. 1 or 2 spring onions finely sliced, they can go straight in as well. It's going to give us a nice oniony flavour, and once all that's cooked, we can put it aside and let it come back down to room temperature. Here we've got our spring roll wrappers, and we're going to be sort of 1/3 of the way up on the diagonal. We're going to add in a little bit of our filling. I'm going to put a little bit of water on the edges of our spring roll wrapper. It's going to act as a little bit of a glue and help things all stick together. I'm going to start rolling them up a little bit, and sort of almost halfway. Fold one side in, give it a bit of a turn, and then fold the other side in, and then roll them all the rest of the way, and there you go. You've got your first spring roll all ready to be cooked. Alright, so I've got all my spring rolls there. I've also made another spring roll recipe with those. You can go and watch that video whenever you like. I'm going to get a little bit of vegetable oil, bring that up to about 165 degrees Celsius, and all we have to do now is pop those in and wait for those to cook. They're not going to take very long at all. All our internal fillings are cooked, or anything that's going to give us salmonella or anything like that. That is all cooked. We've just got the veggies to get a little bit of heat into. They're going to take sort of about 3 to 4 minutes until they sort of float and go a little bit golden brown, just like that. You can also use your air fryer. That will work also. Just give them a bit of a hit with spray oil and pop them into the air fryer, and you will end up with beautiful spring rolls. Deep fryer works even better, believe me. Alright, before you know it, in a blink of an eye, you have made up your own easy chicken spring rolls. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy. It doesn't take that long at all. It is fun for a Friday or Saturday night. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a nice little quick Asian inspired sort of entree or snack just like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my easy chicken spring rolls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.